Hey everybody, I am cooking fresh bamboo and I'm just gonna take you through the steps of how I cook it. Right now in a heated pan I have 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 cups of bamboo shoots that I had already blanched and sliced up. I blanched it for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed it 3 times and then I sliced it up. But right now I'm just, there's nothing in the pan except for oil and bamboo shoots, and I am just basically searing it, browning it, as you can see. Zoom in, there you go. So you're looking for this nice golden brown color on the bamboo shoots, and once you have a good amount of searing on all the little bamboo shoots, you can add in the rest of your ingredients, and I will show that to you right now. So here I have all the sauces that I'm going to put into my bamboo shoots. I have a teaspoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, this is the brand that I like, a teaspoon of Golden Mountain sauce, soy sauce, and a teaspoon of the sesame oil. And I also have in my sauce half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper, and I have a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and then I have 1 whole red bell pepper cut up, and Thai basil, 2 sprigs cut up, and a 1/4 of a large onion and half of tomato. So I'm about to put in the vegetables. So, ooh, I just dropped something. But anyways, here we go. Gently, carefully. Usually I put in my basil last, but it's all on my cutting board, so I'm just gonna put it all in. Why not? So I'm going to cook my vegetables down for a good 5 minutes or so they're soft. And then I'm going to add in my sauce. So I'll come back when I add my sauce in. Okay, so my bamboo and my vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to add the sauce. I forgot to mention that I didn't have fresh garlic, so I used granulated garlic, about half a teaspoon. And if you like, bamboo does tend to be a little bit bitter sometimes when you cook it. I don't know, it doesn't really have that much of a flavor, but sometimes when you don't blanch it enough, it tends to be bitter, so you can add half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of sugar if you like, but the oyster sauce is a little bit sweet, so you should be fine without it, but just a suggestion if you wanted. So I try to get most of that out. And I'm just going to stir in the sauce. And just let it sit and caramelize a little bit, and then it should be done. Easy peasy. So it's been about 7 minutes. I was going to do 5, but I had to do other things. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick taste test. See how my salt is. And if you don't like fish sauce, you can just use soy sauce only and oyster sauce. So seasoning wise, it's okay. I feel like I need to add some sugar, so I'm going to do that. But yeah, it's basically done.